everybody, it's just come up to 11 o'clock. I'm done, on my way back to the yard. I was out of bed this morning at, I think, 12:10 and I was clocked on at work, which is about 7 minutes away from where I live, at 1 o'clock this morning. 1 o'clock. So yeah, we've done us 2 tips, St Albans and Waltham Point. Both of them got there early, got tipped, no problems, and rang in, found out what the score was. Head back, Dave. Head back. Head back, no problem. So yeah, sat in Corley, having his break. We're going to head back up to the yard. I've got the other camera set up on the roof, so that's going to make some interesting viewing later on. I think I can get a little bit of film together and what have you. So whatever you're doing today, have a good day. I hope you had good dreams, because I only got about 3 hours kip, I think, if that, last night. So I'll really sleep tonight. So I'm 11 o'clock in the morning, I'm already looking forward to bed. So yeah, I shall catch up with you later. Have a cracking day. Bye bye. Well, 15 minutes, we'll be back in Drayton. It's going to turn out to be pretty much about 12 and a half hours today. That's good. Good day, keep it under 13. I hope you're enjoying the new view. Do I have any more views that I can give you, really? Oh yes, I've got loads of views that I'm trying to sort out. More to come. Crack on!